Hello, it's Alicia with WTI. I want to show you guys a really cool phone mount for your motorcycle. This is from Quad Lock, and this is amazing because it is weatherproof and it is a wireless charging head and it is incredibly secure. So your phone with the Quad Lock case will lock into this and it is not going to go anywhere. This is an induction charger, which is amazing. So you don't need any sort of charging cables to be able to use it. And because it is weatherproof and waterproof, you can use this all weather and you're able to have your phone handy. You can use it for your navigation or whatever you need it for. So you can also orient your phone in either portrait or landscape, so you can adjust it to whatever suits your needs best. And you can be 100% sure that that phone is not going anywhere. So this is a really, really nice accessory to have if you ride motorcycles a lot. And that's my point of view.